of prejudices that the people of United States makes to these kind of people. They are not terrorists. The chapter 3, we have the Jews. We also know the Jew has, in history, have had a really bad history because they have been suffered in all of the time since the World War II. And we have the Jew, in this case, is this one, that is Kyle. And it's constantly said that he has a lot of money, he's really greedy. That is the stereotype the Americans put to the Jew people. But how many Jews are now in the United States? We can see that they have increased really big, in a big proportion, from 1899 to 2015. The final chapter, we have the fat kid. In this case, of course, it's Eric Cartman. I think it's pretty obvious. In this chapter, we can say this is the biggest problem in the United States because it's the #1 reason of death in the United States. Being in the top, being followed by drugs and alcohol abuse. We are now going to see what are the main problems that causes the obesity in the United States. We have that the median age of an obese teenager is 16 years old. A teenage of 16 years old in the United States will be obese at this age. But in the middle-aged adults, 41% of men and women between age of 14 and 59 years old will be obese in the United States, and 2 out of 3 adults in the United States are obese in actual days. So we have a big problem. So we can conclude that these stereotypes are real, and they are shown in the TV show South Park, as we can see.